Introduction and location. Deep within the majestic embrace of the Shimla Hills, specifically in the pristine, ancient village of Nirmand Kullu, Himachal Pradesh, Bharat, India, stands a sanctuary of profound spiritual wisdom, Himalayan Tantra Vigyan Vishwa Rishikulam, HTVV. This isn't merely an institute, it is a living, breathing testament to the unbroken tradition of Tantra. The visionary founder and ages. The establishment of this sacred center is the vision and effort of one of the modern era's foremost Tantra masters, Tantra Shiromani Dr. Vishwajit Vishwasi Guruji. The Himalayan Tantra Vigyan Vishwarishikulam, HTVV, marked its official establishment on the highly auspicious day of Shardiya Navratri Durga Ashtami in 2024. Under his direct guidance and unparalleled expertise, the HTVV serves as a crucial partner. The institution has flourished under the intellectual and academic aegis of the Maharshi Vedvyas International Virtual Vedic University. This collaboration unites academic rigor with the deep, practical flow of tantric lineage. What sets the Himalayan Tantra Vigyan Vishwarishikulam apart is its unwavering focus on the practical knowledge of Tantra rituals. In a world that often misunderstands these esoteric sciences, Himalayan Tantra Vigyan Vishwarishikulam offers a rare and authentic opportunity for students to experience and implement genuine Tantra. Many dedicated students of the Maharshi Vedvyas International Virtual Vedic University have traveled to this Himalayan heaven specifically to gain hands-on, practical expertise directly under the supervision of Tantra Shiromani Dr. Vishwajit Guruji. This is where theory transforms into embodied experience. Comprehensive departments of Tantra wisdom. The scope of study and practice at HTVV is vast, reflecting the multifaceted nature of Tantra Vigyan. The institute is structured into specialized departments, ensuring comprehensive education across the spectrum of tantric knowledge. These departments include Mantra Vigyan, the science of sacred sound. Yantra Vigyan, the science of sacred geometry. Bhut Vidya, knowledge of elemental and subtle energies, includes Tantra necromancy, Tantra demonology, and the core philosophy of Tantra Vigyan itself. 1. And 2023, a diverse group of aspirants received the coveted Tantra Diksha directly from Tantra Shiromani Dr. Vishwajit Vishwasi. These initiates represent the global reach of this ancient science. Dr. Prakash Bhosle, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Sergio Di Carlo, Spain. Dr. Glenville Ashby, USA. Nidhi Malvi, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Jilmil Bhagwati, Guwahati, Assam. Initiates of the First World Vedic Conference. A unique and auspicious moment for initiation occurred during the First World Vedic Conference on the sacred occasion of Gita Jayanti Day, 22nd December 2023. On this day, the Tantra Diksha was received by three notable figures. Dr. Varsha Parkar, Australia. Dr. KVN Savan Kumar, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Kanti Narayan Pandey, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. The Himalayan Tantra Vigyan Vishwarishikulam, under the guidance of Tantra Shiromani Dr. Vishwajit Vishwasi Guruji, is more than a school, it is a pilgrimage back to authentic knowledge. By integrating the comprehensive spiritual curriculum of the Maharshi Vedvyas International Virtual Vedic University with the practical, transformative rituals of Yamal Tantra, Damar Tantra, Mantra, and Yantra, Himalayan Tantra Vigyan Vishwarishikulam ensures that the profound power of Tantra Vigyan is preserved and made accessible. In the heart of the Shimla Hills, the true science of the self endures. This is where tradition empowers the future.